Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Barista Touch and the Jura E8, both super-automatic espresso machines. Seems like a coffee showdown.
Yeah, definitely. Right off the bat, the Breville is significantly cheaper, around $800 compared to the Jura's $2,000. Big price difference.
Huge! So what does that extra money get you with the Jura?
Well, the Jura E8 boasts 17 programmed specialties, whereas the Breville, it lets you create and save 8 personalized coffees, but only has 5 pre-programmed favorites. So more variety on the Jura.
Gotcha. And what about the grinders? I hear that's important.
Absolutely. The Jura has what they call a professional aroma grinder, claiming 12.2% more aroma. The Breville has an integrated conical burr grinder with dose control, so it's precise, but doesn't have that professional edge.
Interesting. What about ease of use? The Breville has that touchscreen, right?
It does. The Breville has a touchscreen display. The Jura has a smaller 2.8-inch color display with buttons, and they mention using artificial intelligence for simpler handling. So the Breville looks more intuitive at first glance.
Okay. And what about heating time? I want my coffee now.
The Breville wins that one hands down. It has a thermojet heating system that heats up in 3 seconds. The Jura doesn't specify a heating time, so I'm guessing it's slower.
Good to know. What about size? Does one hog more counter space?
The Jura is a bit wider and longer, but shorter. The Breville is 12.7 DX 12.5, WX 16 inches H, and the Jura is 19.9 X 17.2 X 12.4 inches.
Okay, so Jura is bigger. Anything else that stands out?
The Jura is renewed, so it isn't brand new. The Breville includes a bunch of accessories, like different filter baskets and a milk jug. Also, the Jura is only rated to 1 star from 1 review, and the Breville has 4.4 stars from almost 4,000 reviews.
Alright, so it sounds like the Breville is the better option.
It really depends on what you're looking for. If you want a wider selection of pre-programmed drinks and don't mind spending significantly more, the Jura E8 might be appealing. But for most people, the Breville Barista Touch seems like a more practical and user-friendly choice, especially considering the price point.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.